Where is the taxi stand? Is there any prepaid taxi office here? Is there any rickshaw facility here? Is there any city bus facility here? From where can I get a taxi? How far is taxi stand from here? How far is railway station from here? What is the taxi charge for here to bus stand? Is there any good hotel here? Please tell me the name of some good hotels. How far is it from here? What will you charge from here? How long will it take to reach there? Can I hire a taxi for the whole day? What will you charge for the whole day? Will diesel charge be extra? Do you have the rate list? Can I sit at the back seat? Where can I put the luggage? Thank you.